Hey everybody, happy Saturday, Labor Day weekend. We're here in the workshop this afternoon, hanging out, watching a little college football. Maryland's winning. Getting ready to watch Arkansas game, 3 o'clock. Very excited about that. Got a couple of patterns for you. Just wanted to show off a basic wiggler craw. These little guys are a lot of fun. Good craw pattern, solid finish, triple sealed. There's a bunch of them for you. Y'all need to come on and get them. We're having a Labor Day special. Everything on the website, www.jekyllbaits.com, is 25% off. Already low prices. Let's show you the second one. Next up, we've got this little bassafras. It's in a holographic little jerkbait. We are showing you these in various stages of clear coating. And then last but certainly not least, we have the pipsqueak version of the baby bassafras. Little gold red glitter on the top, red eyes. Gonna look great with hooks on it. Gonna look better in a fish's mouth. Hope you have a wonderful Labor Day weekend. Don't forget to check out www.jekyllbaits.com. That's JEKYLLBAITS.com.